my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. It is Day back again with another video for y'all. So today we're going to be installing a wig. It's going to be this wig right here. This is from Yolova hair. And yeah, so we about to install this real quick. I mean, it ain't gonna be quick, but real quick. And so I'm gonna start with the cap. I usually don't use this color. Before I put this cap on, I'm actually gonna go get some oil and oil my scalp again, just because I really want it to be like very moisturized under here. If you don't know, then like an itchy wig is not it. And sometimes my hair be itchy under there because it don't have like enough moisture. So I like to make sure that my hair has plenty of moisture before I even put the cap on. So let me go grab the oil and we're gonna oil my scalp first and put like a little bit of oil right here on my edges. Okay, so now that the cap is on, we're gonna do the ears. I'm using this because I don't like when this is making this cap trapped on my edges. So I think that's the problem. Let's not do that this time. So we're not gonna use the spray. What I'm gonna use is my Ghost Bond. And I'm just gonna make a line like as far away from my edges as possible. So you see how like my edge right there kind of like comes out. My hair is so weird. My hairline is just very weird. So literally, I don't want it nowhere near my hair. Okay, now that the glue is kind of dry, I'm just gonna take this eyebrow razor or whatever. Always keep these for your wigs. And I'm just gonna slowly start to cut. I like to start in the middle. Be very careful with these, they're very sharp actually. And so yeah, it'll look like that. And then what I'm doing is trying to take these pieces and put them like behind my ear. And so this part, like all this little extra, I'm just gonna try to cut it and get down like as close as I can to the part that's already melted down. Okay, so now that I, cut off the excess and everything, this is how it's looking. I'm just putting the wig on to kind of like measure and make sure I got everything off that I need to. And it looks pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is take the wig off. And you can use concealer. I bought this, so I'm gonna use it because I spent my money on it. So I'm gonna use this Even Tinted Lace Spray. I don't particularly really like it, but I bought it, so it's gonna get used. So we're about to spray that on the lace just to like give it some coloring to kind of match, my scalp. And a lot of people use their foundation, but I personally feel like I like when the hairline or whatever, it looks a tad bit lighter than your complexion, because if you look at your actual scalp, like my actual scalp is not the color of my skin. So I don't know, like that's just me. I just feel like it makes it look even more natural because natural scalps are not the same color as like our complexion. So just like a tad bit lighter, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna spray this. Okay, so the spray is on there. What I'm gonna do is just lay it and try to see how it looks. That's pretty much all you're gonna be doing back and forth. It's just trying to like make sure before you lay anything down, everything's good with your wig. Usually the girls be plucking, but I don't have like a wig head yet or whatever, so I pluck mine on my head, if that makes sense. But yeah, you want to make sure everything is good with your wig before you lay it down. Like it should pretty much just need to be laid down, because everything else should kind of just be like done. And so this is me putting the wig on. This is me trying to like see about the lace, the coloring and stuff. I feel like this is fine. Me personally, I just feel like this is fine. Like this is good. Okay, so now that I figured out about the coloring and everything, all I'm gonna do is start prepping it so that it can be laid down, and then that's when all the other stuff comes in, all the styling comes into play. But yeah, ooh, child. I poured some more tea. So yeah, I'm about to get ready to do that, but what I'm gonna do, because it's like a full lace, like a full-on 13, so what I'm gonna do is take the hair and just kind of like, take the lace and just kind of like cut it into sections so that I can work in sections for gluing. Okay, so I got a plastic fork, don't judge me. I'm literally just using this part to do the glue. I find it very annoying to get glue on my rat tail comb. Some people use it, but I just feel like it's so annoying to clean because it's so sticky. So I just like to use something that I can like literally throw away right after. Usually I use a plastic knife, but the fork was the quickest thing I saw, so I just grabbed the fork. So I'm putting the glue on the hair, and then I'm just gonna take the fork, so ghetto, the fork, and I'm just spreading it, just trying to spread it like evenly so that it'll dry clear. Okay, so this is layer 1, and I'm just gonna take the blow dryer again and just blow dry it and make sure it's like tacky, and then I'm gonna add one more layer and then put it down. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, since it's kind of like, you know, tacky, I'm feeling it, what I'm gonna do is take this wig and pull it, make sure it's tight, and pull it to where I want it to go, which is right there. I had to like relax my face because if you don't know, sometimes wigs can like make your eyebrows go up. It can like give you a facelift basically. So I didn't want like any creases in my face. I didn't want like anything in my face. I was trying to like put it where it needs to go. And so all I'm doing is taking my comb and just trying to like work the lace into the glue. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna be doing, and I'm just gonna do that for the rest of it and just make sure it's really tight. Yeah, and fit it to like my head. But the key to this is really just like taking your time. Like take your time, don't rush, try to do it right. If you want your wig to be, you know, decent or whatever. I ain't gonna say laid and slayed because I'm not no hairstylist. I just want y'all to know that I am not a hairstylist. Self-taught in the house. I just never wanted to like pay stylists $300 to install and, you know, paying for wig. I don't want none of that. So I just wanted to like learn for myself because I don't have time for stylists and their attitudes and their policies and paying an arm and a leg. And they, you know what I'm saying, very much mediocre service. Service is mediocre, not the wig lane. It be late. And so with the ear, what I'm gonna have to end up doing, because it's actually like a lot extra with the ear, I'm just trying to like see how much I want to take off because I'm gonna have to cut it. So all this extra, I don't know if y'all can see, but all this extra right here is basically gonna have to get cut because literally my ear's here and my ear is getting covered up. So I just try to do this very carefully. Like that. And now my ear is out. And this is the excess. Okay, so this is where we're at with it. Obviously not perfect, and some areas are still lifting, so that's what we're about to fix now. I literally hate when like this happens and it's like all this extra glue and stuff. I hate that. And with what I'm about to do next is take some of the hair out. I have no idea how I even want the baby hairs, but we're just gonna take some out because this what the girlies be doing. So yeah, I'm just taking some hair out along the front line or whatever. And I don't think it has to be like a perfect straight line because I think these are meant to be like for your baby hairs, but I haven't even figured out exactly how I want my baby hairs. So there's that. But I'm taking this hair out from the front. What I'm gonna do is spray this spray right here. I didn't expect it to come out so fast. I'm literally just trying to get it in between the hair that I had put out, but not on it. I didn't want to get it on it. I just wanted to get it literally in this little crevices. What I'm gonna do is take this hair, make sure it's all the way back. Trying to just make sure it's all the way back. And then I'm gonna take my handy dandy elastic. It's just an elastic band for wigs. And I'm just gonna sit it here. Like super duper duper tight as you can possibly get it. Cause you want this wig to be laid and slayed. So yeah, now I have the band on and I'm just trying to like press it into it. I don't know if that's a good idea, but trying to press it so that it will really lay and it's super tight. I have my hot comb going, so now I'm about to do like the part and try to flat iron it. I mean hot comb it. I don't know why I said flat iron. But yeah, I'm gonna try to basically like do the part and hot comb the part. I know I want a middle part. I don't know why, I've just grown to really like middle parts all of a sudden. But I want a middle part. So that's what we're gonna do. And now I'm just trying to make sure this line is like in the middle of my head. Which is always, ooh, no. Which is always so difficult because I always feel like it's in the middle, and then when I look at like a picture or a video of myself, it's like slightly off, and then it makes me mad. I get so upset because I just want my part to be straight. Straight down the middle. Okay, so something like that. And now I'm taking this and my wax stick. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna take my wax stick and my hot comb and go to work. And yeah, that's after like one pass. So we're just gonna keep doing it until it's as flat as my liking. And I just want it like super flat. And I'm gonna use my wax stick for like the flyaways. I just really like that it helps with all the flyaways and really just helps you lay your hair down. Okay, babe, so I just took the elastic band off, and this is me trying to figure out how I want these baby hairs. So what I'm thinking is the ones that are like this, I think it's kind of cute. I don't know. So I might like cut these really short and just do them like that up top, and then have two here, and then I always do like the little ones right there, like the little, what you call it, sideburns, the little sideburns. So that's what I'm thinking. I'm just scared because it'd be like once you cut the hair for the baby hairs, that's it. Like you can't put it back. So I don't know, but I feel like this is what I'm going for. I'm gonna take the same eyebrow razor and we're just gonna start cutting. I always try to do like a little longer than where I actually want it, because you rather have it too long and then have to cut it again than to have it too short because you can't put that hair back. So I'm just cutting. And I kind of just do longer than what I want. And I try to do it like staggered. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I try my best to do it like staggered. Like a staggered cut. Okay, so this is the baby hairs after I curled them. So all I did was take my baby flat iron, take the piece of hair. What you're gonna do is hold it and flip it upwards. Like so. So they do like that. I did that to the areas that I wanted. These, I kind of just want them to like lay. I actually want them a little smaller than this, but I'm gonna work with this and see how I like it first, because like I said, you want it too long and not too short first. But I just kind of want them to like literally just kind of like lay, I don't know. But what I'm gonna do is take this mousse, and I use a toothbrush. I have an edge brush, but I just feel like the toothbrush, it do it every time for me. So I'm gonna use my toothbrush for my edges and lay them down. And I'm just using that mousse to kind of just play with it and try to lay them down. This is my first time doing this method. This up here, I really just wanted it to do that. To do like this little thing. Like up there. Okay, so I tied it down just a little bit to help it, because I feel like once I put the spray on, it kind of just started lifting a little bit. And so this is how it's looking. This is the hair. I didn't flat iron it or straighten it. I just kind of let it be. It has like a little wave to it, and I honestly didn't have time because I have to go somewhere. But I don't have time to straighten it. I think wand curls at the end would be so cute. So cute. But yeah, this is the look. I don't know. My mom said it's giving. Is it giving, guys? Is it giving? I feel cute. I mean, that's all that matters. I feel good. I like it. So yeah, this is the looks for the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this install. Let me turn around for you. Let me come back here so y'all can like see it. So yeah, and then this is the front. I mean, the baby hairs could have been a little bit better, but hey, you know, we still learn. I feel like she looks good. Like, this is a good install. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so the next time that I drop a video, babes, you'll be notified. I had put makeup on and I had the scarf on, so I didn't put makeup right here. So let me go touch that up. I'm about to put some makeup on right here on my forehead because my forehead was covered. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn your post notification bell on so the next time that I drop a video, babes, you'll be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram for daily content, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and yeah.